Hi everyone, my name is Yusur Alsahili and I'm a third year medical student and I am on my surgery rotation right now. So one of my most memorable rotations have been surgery. I am currently on my surgery rotation and I think what was memorable about it is that when I went in, I thought I would be off to the side, kind of just not even scrubbing sometimes because most of the time with medical students, there's just not that availability for them to be in on the surgery. But because in the Central Valley, there is just a huge shortage of physicians, and that means that there's not enough sometimes people to kind of scrub in. I was allowed to actually scrub in on my first surgery, and I was also continuously allowed to always be scrubbed in. I was always assisting the surgeon. I would be, holding the rods. I would be helping with the stitching. So I just really appreciated that hands-on experience because it's not really given for third-year medical students to be that involved in patient care in surgery. It was kind of a very humbling moment. It is actually real life, real people, real impact that's happening. When you love what you do, you want to keep doing it. And I think that's the experience I've had with all of my rotations so far, is that I really loved it.